David, we're here at ZEISS in Rugby. Now myself and all our viewers will know your business for supplying some fantastic hardware solutions and software solutions for metrology, industrial metrology. But it goes beyond that, doesn't it? Can you tell us a little bit about the contract measurement side?
Yes, the contract measurement for us is a big part of our business. It's very popular to a number of ZEISS customers and non-ZEISS customers. We offer subcontract measurement throughout all of our portfolio, not just the tactile systems that you see here, but the multi-sensor systems as well. Also the computer tomography stuff, and another part of our business, the IQS strategic business unit, which stands for Industrial Quality Solutions. We also cover the microscopy side of the business as well, so that's light microscopy and also scanning electron microscope stuff. So all of that is covered within our subcontract measurement bureau offering.
So what would be a scenario when someone would tap into that?
There's a number of different scenarios they can tap into it with. First thing is that they come to us looking to purchase a machine, and we offer them the bureau service during the period of time whilst that machine is being manufactured. There's another time when, because we are considered to be the precision leaders globally, somebody will come to us with a measurement problem that requires that additional precision. And they'll come and sit down with us and we'll discuss it with them. Or there are just times when they don't want to buy a machine, they're not in the field for buying a machine, and they'll just want a couple of parts measuring. So they'll come in, they'll sit down with us, we'll go through the consultation, and we'll get the parts measured as quickly as possible for them.
And is it a popular part of the business? Do a lot of people utilise this?
Yes, we have numerous customers utilising the bureau service that we offer. This being down to the fact that we can turn their measurements around very quickly and efficiently. I
can imagine if you had a problem measuring a part, it's a perfect way to solve it, isn't it?
It is very much so, yes.
Because your hardware is so extensive, there's not a machine you don't really have in the portfolio that can measure a part or can't measure a part.
Yes, we've got machines that cover every part of difficult measurements that require making, and also we have an extensive applications knowledge within the team of 10-12 applications engineers that we've got running here at the moment.
Okay, and for those that are interested, there is a bit of an incentive as well, isn't there? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, we've got an offer going on at the moment where if a customer is out there, they've got a tricky problem that they're trying to solve, then we're quite happy for them to come and sit down with us, and we'll go through the initial consultation, and providing we feel it's something we can solve fairly efficiently and quickly, we'll do it for them free of charge.
Great stuff, brilliant. Thank you very much, David.
No problem.